land of abundance, Sichuan province is a place endowed with a beautiful scenery and excellent talents. The sea embraces all rivers with capacity. The great embraces all things with heart. A cliff rises 1,000 feet sheer as it has no selfish desires. We exert our potentials worldwide and build a bright future. Travel around the world on Haida tires. Their safety attends you forever. The course of development is long and tough. In 1970s, 8 senior experts in rubber field came to Jianyang city of Sichuan province at Tuojiang riverside from Chengdu with a shared faith. Since then, they have been working hard for 50 years. We joined WULIANGYE Group to grow stronger and larger. We break the enterprise limitations for common development. We devote ourselves to Haida and never say never. Our company once was a small factory with an annual capacity of tractor tires of 110,000 sets. After many times of internal transformation, now it produces 14 million semi-steel radial tires, 1.4 million sets of full-steel radial tires, and 1.5 million sets of diagonal tires. It is a large enterprise group with annual sales of approximately 5 billion RMB. It ranks top in the industry with extraordinary capability and in-depth entailment and attempt to set the milestone for China's auto tires industry with wisdom and innovation. It is an innovation road of overturn and reconstruction. As we know, the world's 5 continents feature diverse climates and terrains. Over the past 50 years, we have committed ourselves to meeting the individualized demands for different terrains, car models, and usage environments with craftsmanship and innovation. We focus on creation and carry out New Age Tires philosophy with support from Haida Sichuan Province Postdoctoral Innovative Practice Base and Sichuan Province Technical Center. Haida Tires, boasting low rolling resistance, low noise, high performance, and green and environmental protection, enjoy great prestige in the industry and win consistent praise from numerous clients of MILEKING.
Hello, I represent the Haida company in Ireland, and we find our tires very reliable and your company is super efficient. We class them as #1 in our country. #1 for Haida.
This is a quality road of perseverance. In a fiercely competitive market, only the better ones can claim shares. Haida, laying emphasis on whole course details, deserve your trust. Haida symbolizes brand new ride on expedition. The notion of Haida, be high quality people, make high quality tires. In terms of quality, we persist on seeking for perfection. We enhance the tire manufacturing level with ISO TS 16949 quality management system and excellent technologies. Over 100 national patents and over 20 product certification at home and abroad. We fulfill our safety commitments. We value environmental protection a lot. We passed the clean production audit, and the enterprise mission has arrived at an industrial advanced level. So we deserve the title of Environmental Protection Pioneer. This course witnesses our responsibilities and dreams. Journey around the world, sees glory all the way. Nowadays, Haida has taken root in Sichuan, open to China, and fitted in the world. We endeavor to build sound service network, form the market pattern with scale of replacement, mating and export of 42323, and realize transformation from the manufacturing type to creation type. How far can an enterprise goes depends on its mind. We set up platforms for employees, make contribution to the society, and forge quality goods for clients. The sea embraces all rivers with capacity. The great embraces all things with heart. With a vision of developing radial tires and improving core competitiveness, we try to strengthen the major business of tires and find channels for auxiliary business of products, and realize the dream of forging hundreds of years foundation for Haida. With courage and resolution of men of action, and perseverance, and innovation of the wise, with wide and open mind, we will initiate the new round of spanning development to make Haida goes wider and further.